Wow. Hey, traders. Wow. I did not see this coming. Lunc has been making some serious moves lately, like up 40% over the past 30 days, and it's trading around $0.000053, and I'm still trying to pre-R process that. This volume backing the momentum? That is incredible! I cannot believe this is happening! This is such a shock. And if you caught our earlier analysis, then you already know this didn't just come out of nowhere, but still, wow. And if you're looking for more setups like this, you can check out our Patreon. We've been dropping premium signals that help you stay one step ahead in the market, and I'm completely taken aback that it's all lining up like this. You can even get started with our tester plan for just $10, links in the description and comments, which is honestly still blowing my mind. All right? Okay, let's jump into the analysis. Disclaimer. Please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.